This is a remote learning initiated by Shitwita Mandir English School, SC, Maharashtra, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. This video is for standard nursery, subject Maths. Hello students, welcome to your classroom. I'm your teacher, Mrs. Darshana Heyman. Today's subject is Maths. Topic is before, after, in between. Students, here I have three toys. One is teddy bear, an aeroplane, and a ball. So can you tell me students where I have said this a place of the each toys? Can you tell me where is the bear is? I can say bear is before the aeroplane. And can you tell me now where is the ball placed is? No? So I will say ball is after the aeroplane. So here I can say bear is before the aeroplane and ball is after the aeroplane. And can you tell me where is the aeroplane is? Where I can say where is the aeroplane? Yes, we can say aeroplane is in between bear and a ball. So these are the place value you can say. Now here in this picture I have changed the position of the pictures. Okay. Now you have to tell me where is the aeroplane is, ball and teddy bear is. Okay. First, can anyone tell me where is the aeroplane? Aeroplane is before the ball. Yes, aeroplane is before the ball. And where is the teddy bear now? Anyone? Yes, you can say bear is after the ball. Bear is placed after the ball. And ball, where is the ball is now? Ball is in between aeroplane and teddy bear. Ball is in between aeroplane and teddy bear. So you got the concept before, after and in between. Am I right, students? Now students, take your page number 311. Here I have cleared the concept of before, after and in between. Now can you tell me where is the green car? Where is the green car? Yes, the green car is before the yellow car. The green car is before the yellow car. Can you tell me where is the red car is? This red car. The red car is after the yellow car. The red car is after the yellow car. Now, can you tell me where is the yellow car? Yellow car is in between red and green car. Yellow car is in between. The yellow car is in between green and red car. So, this is in between. Red car is after the yellow and green car is before the yellow car. So you have cleared the concept before, after and in between. Before, after and in between. Okay. Students, now turn your page. I will do the activity sometime in other video. Here I have some concept a little bit with the alphabets. We are going to clear it out. Okay. Now students, can you tell me the letter comes before or after the letter E? D comes, which D letter comes before or after the letter E? Yes, D letter comes before the letter E. The D letter comes before the letter E. Now, here they ask, the letter Z comes before or after the Y? Can you tell me? The Z letter, this letter, is before or after? the Y? Yes, Z letter comes after the Y letter. Z letter comes after the Y letters. Now here they ask, where is the cat? The cat is in between or between the two dogs. The cat is between the two dogs. She is in between, so the cat is in between the two dogs. Here is home assignment. They have asked you over here, the bicycle is moving before or after the car? The bicycle is moving before or after? Before. The bicycle is moving before the car. Now, the car is standing after or before the bicycle? The car is standing before or after the bicycle? The car is standing after the bicycle. The car is standing after the bicycle. Now, can you tell me where is the girl is standing over here? The girl is standing in between two boys. The girl is standing in between two boys. Okay, students, I hope you have cleared this concept. We'll do this concept with the activity with the alphabets and numbers afterwards in some other videos. Okay, students, happy learning.